Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Lighthouse and fix UI performance issues, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Google Chrome installed on your computer. Open Google Chrome and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Lighthouse and search for it. Locate the Lighthouse extension in the results. Click on the Add to Chrome button to install the extension. Confirm the installation by selecting Add Extension in the pop-up window. Once installed, you will see the Lighthouse icon in the Chrome toolbar. To run Lighthouse, open a website you want to analyze. Click on the Lighthouse icon in the toolbar. Select the type of report you want to generate, either performance, progressive web app, SEO, or others. Choose whether to run the audit in mobile or desktop mode. Click the Generate Report button to start the audit. Lighthouse will now analyze the page and compile a detailed report. Wait a moment for the audit to complete. Once finished, the Lighthouse report will automatically open in a new tab. Review the score at the top of the report to understand the overall performance. Scroll down to find detailed assessments of metrics such as first contentful paint and time to enter. Pay attention to the recommendations provided to improve performance. Take note of any alerts or critical issues highlighted in red. Focus on the Opportunities section for actionable suggestions. Implement the recommended fixes on your website. After making changes, rerun the Lighthouse audit to assess improvements. Repeat this process until you achieve the desired performance score. Regularly monitor your site's performance using Lighthouse to ensure ongoing optimization. Consider automating audits with continuous integration tools if applicable. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to enhance your site's UI performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.